kiss for you.
This accident could have been avoided with a split second of advanced warning. The Reaction Assistance Device System, or RAD system, from Clever One could have given her that warning. The RAD system attaches to the back of your car to alert drivers behind you that you are stopping, slowing down, or accelerating. It is very difficult for a driver in motion to judge and react to the motion of a car ahead of them. The brain must sort out the signals coming from the eye and calculate its own motion before it can even send the command to the leg and foot to press the brake. And that command can take as much as half a second to even reach the leg and foot. The RAD system simplifies the processing by giving the driver behind you clear cues, day or night, as to what you are doing, thus reducing the reaction time considerably, and giving both of you a better chance of avoiding a rear-end collision. But the RAD system can be useful in other situations as well. Consider turns made without signaling. If a driver slows down to make a turn without using the turning signal, the car behind has no way to know what's happening. And if the driver behind happens to be distracted by checking to see that intersection is safe, then boom! Typical fender bender. But with the RAD system, even without a turn signal, the yellow light clearly shows that the car in front is slowing down, and the driver in back keeps his attention focused on him. The turn is made, and nobody gets too upset. Within a given year, it is estimated that 40% of all automobile accidents are rear-end collisions. That works out to be 2.5 million accidents. And every case comes down to a few tenths of a second of reaction time, which the RAD system could have provided, especially at night. With your pledge, you can be part of this, and you can help save lives. Help make our roads safer by helping to make the RAD system a reality.
Pixar is a DIY game console. Pixar comes as an all-inclusive do-it-yourself kit, allowing users to build their game console and create their own video games whilst learning about coding. During the assembly, users will get familiar with components of a game console and explore their functions. Assembly is fairly simple, as it doesn't require any tools or prior knowledge. Once done with the assembly, users can start coding with Arduino software. Our educational guide is aimed at beginners and will take you through every step of creating a video game. Alternatively, you can simply download the video games we have already created, upload them to your Pixar, and start playing. Pixar is a great way to learn about programming and game development. With Pixar, you can create your own video games from scratch, replicate any retro video game you like, or make a storytelling game by using actual images. Explore how a game console works, create your own video games, and share them with your friends. Pixar by Creocode.
C-Sense is back on Kickstarter with 2 new intelligent bike lights. The first is Beam, a to-see front light with 700 lumens and the world's smartest brightness management. Beam evaluates your situation, including your speed and the light levels around you, to automatically adjust brightness and maximise your runtime. See further ahead when you need more light, for example going downhill, or conserve battery when you're in a brighter urban area, all without having to change any settings. Using C-Sense's patented technology, Beam is the first front light designed to intelligently pulse stronger when you most need to be visible, for example at roundabouts or junctions. And if your battery gets low during a ride, Beam's Get Me Home mode reduces light output to give you enough runtime to complete your journey. Our second new light is Icon 2, Building on the success of the award-winning Icon, it's packed with more brightness and intelligence than ever before. It contains 2 types of LEDs for both a focused and dispersed beam. This makes you visible from up to 3 kilometers away, while giving you 270 degrees of side visibility. The light can adjust brightness levels to conserve battery life, and from a single charge you'll get 16 hours of runtime in full power reactive flash mode. At riskier moments, such as junctions or roundabouts, it will also automatically flash brighter and faster to ensure you stand out. Both Icon 2 and Beam shine powerfully in all light conditions, day and night. They mount the way you want and pair using ANT+ with cycling head units, and they're easy to recharge with any standard micro USB charger. The C-Sense mobile app lets you personalise your light settings and gives you theft, battery and crash alerts. Beam and Icon 2 don't just make you safer, they also give you a voice. When you cycle with either light, our technology detects any poor route conditions or events that you encounter. And through our app you can then choose to share these insights with planners to help them make your ride better. Over the past 5 years, our lights have been used by over 30,000 cyclists, and today we're the official bike light supplier to British Cycling. Our team is based in Northern Ireland and has grown to 16 people, designing, engineering and perfecting all of our products in-house. We're proud to manufacture in the UK, ensuring unparalleled quality and performance. At C-Sense, we want to make cycling better. And to do this, we need your help to bring Beam and Icon 2 to life. Back our campaign today and be the first to receive Beam and Icon 2 at a significant discount. Pledge now.
You know what really frustrates me? You. Everyone's growing up and you're stuck in the past. And I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about you. Real milk. Real chocolate milk. It's time to change. Hi, I'm Manny. I'm 26 years old and I still love chocolate milk. And I know you do too. Josh does. That's why he's my comrade, my partner, my milkman. We believe it's up to us to help you change. And here's how. Let's start with sugar. We finally uncovered the facts. Sugar is the enemy. So why do you still have so much of it? Why does this equal this? We should be drinking you instead of eating this and drinking these. Please! We want to stop feeling like we're cheating on our hearts. You need to slim down now. And then there's lactose. Why aren't you lactose free? I mean, 75% of the world is lactose intolerant. So why do you still have it? It causes them physical pain. And us? Well, it just makes us feel wrong. Lactose is out. And pressure. Don't get me started on pressure. From the second I take you out of the fridge, the timer starts. 1 week, maybe 10 days. Then it's either this or this. I want you on my schedule, not yours. Look, we know you taste amazing. You're high in protein. You can speed up metabolism. You have natural electrolytes. You have natural vitamins. We get it. But you have to be healthier. You have to be better. And I know you're fighting. But you can't do it alone. You've done all you can. Let us take it from here.
Formula One. First time
ever tasting. Way too dark. Way too dark.
V2, baby. Closer.
It needs to catch you more.
All right, we're back.
Cheers.
That's really good.
That's a chocolate milk, baby.
Whether you love chocolate milk or you can't remember the last time you had one, back us now and try some of ours. Together, let's write milk's next chapter. Let's give milk a clean slate.
but painful. Comfortable, but the wrong color. Adjustable, but unprofessional. Why settle when you can get the best of everything with a Craftmark belt? The Craftmark belt is the world's first reversible leather belt with a smart locking system that ensures the perfect fit for ultimate comfort. Featuring premium vegetable tanned leather and classic Saffiano leather on the other side, Craftmark is the only belt you need for any outfit. And the smart locking micro-adjustable stainless steel buckle ensures absolute comfort throughout the day. Tailor your belt to your style with an array of interchangeable straps and buckles, all while saving valuable space. Craftmark belts are designed to last a lifetime and take on a beautiful patina as unique as you. Upgrade to a Craftmark belt, the only belt you'll ever need.
Hi, I'm Giselle here with Olympia Modular. Tunnels is a new type of Eurorack utility module which allows you to duplicate and route signals across your modular synthesizer. Tunnels is comprised of two distinct modules, Tunnel In and Tunnel Out. The Tunnel In module by itself acts as a buffered multiple, duplicating any signal plugged into its input. The Tunnel In module has 3 channels. Each of the 3 inputs is routed to a pair of outputs. Using just the first input gives you a 1-in, 6-out multiple. Using 2 inputs gives you a 1-in, 2-out multiple and a 1-in, 4-out multiple. And using all 3 inputs gives you 3 1-in, 2-out multiples. What makes Tunnels unique is the ability to add additional outputs with the Tunnel Out module. Tunnel Out receives the 3 channels from Tunnel In via an expander cable, adding 3 additional outputs per channel at another location in your synthesizer. Tunnel Out modules can be chained together infinitely. Tunnels is engineered by Buchla development engineer Charles Seeholzer. Here he is in his workspace in Olympia, Washington. Tunnels is designed by Olympia Noise Company developer Ben Kamen. Ben is perhaps best known for his app patterning. Olympia Modular is a new venture for us. We are excited about contributing to the Eurorack community with unique and versatile modules. We have already manufactured the panels, developed prototype boards for testing, and have received quotes for manufacturing. All we need now is the funds to make it a reality. If this Kickstarter is successful, we have many ideas drawn from our experiences as musicians, educators, and synthesists that we hope to develop. You can pledge and receive any one of our Olympia Modular rewards, and also pledge to get your own Tunnels system.